Welcome back to the channel. This is not your average salad. It's a smoky, juicy, crispy, and bold summer steak salad. Let's plate up some summer perfection. I cannot wait to show you guys this one. I started by chopping up a head of romaine lettuce. Then I gave it a good rinse and spin in my salad spinner. Guys, clean your greens. It matters. Next, I diced up some red onions. And you want to get these finely diced. I then moved on to the cucumbers. And also, you want to get similar dices on the cucumbers as well. And then we're going to cut some cherry tomatoes in half. Once the veggies were prepped, I then move on to shucking the corn. Okay? And you want to get all those little, I guess, hairs, if you want to say, pulled off the corn. Then, of course, you know we got to season the fillets. Let me keep it simple. Just salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Make sure you season all sides. And we're just going to let that rest for a little bit as we prepare for the grill.
Before we finish this dish, I want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, SquidX Media. If you're a content creator like myself trying to stand out in a sea of videos, photos, and algorithms, these are the folks you want in your corner. They specialize in helping creators grow their brand with killer media strategies, stunning visuals, and real results. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or the gram, SquidX has you covered. Check them out at squidxmedia.com and tell them I sent you. Now back to the video.
With the corn prepped and the steaks all seasoned up, it's time to get them on the grill. First, I'm going to get the steaks put on the grill, and there's nothing better than hearing that sizzle when the steaks first go on. I'll immediately follow that up with the corn, and you want to develop a nice char on every part of that corn. Throughout the process, I'm going to be basting the steak and the corn. Steak I'm going to be basting with a delicious garlic butter, and the corn, just some regular butter with a little bit of salt and pepper, of course. To keep things precise, I'm going to use my meter wireless thermometer. Once I have a nice crust, I'll move the steaks to indirect heat and let them cruise to an internal temperature of 135 degrees for a perfect medium rare. Now while the steaks are resting, I'll pull the corn and slice it right off the cob. Now look how beautiful that is. Man, y'all can't tell me that don't look beautiful. Now that we got the corn ready, like I said, we'll get it sliced off the cob, and then we're gonna move on to the steaks. After a short rest, it's time to slice the steak. Here's a close-up. Juicy, tender, and perfectly cooked. I mean, come on, man. Just look at that. Nothing like filet mignon, I tell you. So delicious. Now, let's build this summer salad. In a mixing bowl, I've combined the romaine lettuce, some baby spinach, of course the cucumbers, the onions, and the cherry tomatoes. I'm going to give that a quick toss. Then in a separate bowl, I'll lay out the fresh salad base. We're going to follow it up with the beautiful grilled corn. Then those slices of the buttery filet. A handful of the fried onions. And then finally, a generous drizzle of my homemade Chipotle ranch dressing. And there you have it. Your new favorite summer salad. It's hearty, it's fresh, and it's packed with bold flavors from the grill. And if you love this content, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What's your go-to salad combo? Thank you for watching, and as I always say, on to the next one.
The bite, everything works together real well. Corn is charred beautifully. The dressing is nice and spicy. This one is on point. Thank you for watching.